In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can convert an image into a PDF. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do if you want to do this is actually open up a web browser of your choice and just go to google.com. From here, sign into your Google account if you aren't already, and then select the little app icon, like little square up here, and open up Google Docs. You may have to scroll down a little bit in order to see Google Docs, but go ahead and open it up, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And from here, go ahead and select blank document. Now, what you're going to want to do is select this little insert tab up at the very top. Go ahead and hover over image and choose upload from computer and find whatever image you want to go ahead and put on. Let's just say we want to do this image right here. Wow, this guy is so great looking, what the heck. But essentially, after you get your image on here, what you're going to want to choose is the file option up here. Go down to this little download tab and just hover over it and then select PDF. Select this and your image is now going to be saved as a PDF on your computer. It really is as simple as that. That's how you can convert any image into a PDF using Google Docs. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.